In many ways, it's hard to believe we've been living with the virus for 2 years. Healthcare heroes on the front lines battling each wave of COVID bravely. Doctors and nurses have been kept away from their loved ones in order to keep all of us safe. News Channel 9's Adrian Smith joining us live outside of St. Joseph's Health Hospital for us this afternoon. Adrian, some of the nurses there are reflecting on the past 2 years. Tell us if you could share their feelings with us.
Well, Christy, the nurses that we spoke with are hopeful for what's to come, but the amount of patient suffering, the endless burnout, and the uncertainty that they face throughout this pandemic are things that they will certainly never forget, both in their careers and in their personal lives as well. Now, over the last 2 years, nearly 6,400 people in Onondaga County have been admitted to the hospital. Some of those neighbors lost their battle with COVID, unable to make it out of the hospital. The 3 nurses that we spoke with say that has been the most challenging part of this pandemic. But looking at the current numbers and having the vaccine at our disposal, one of the nurse managers here at St. Joe's is optimistic.
It feels different this time. I'm feeling pretty hopeful right now. Our numbers are very low. We're making plans for next steps. I think that enough people have either been ill or are vaccinated and boosted that we're not seeing admissions coming in daily like we were. I'm very hopeful that this is a turning point for us.
I think we can all agree that the pandemic has taught us some of life's most important lessons, and one of those is being able to prioritize our physical and mental health. And the 3 nurses that we spoke with here at St. Joe's all want to share a word of encouragement about putting our health care back on track. They say that if you've been putting off doctor's appointments, be sure to schedule them. Live in Syracuse, Adrian Smith, News Channel 9.